Hello friends, Dave from Advanced Camping in Milwaukee. Today I'm going to show you the new 2026 Leisure Travel Unity. This is the rear lounge model, and I think this is going to be one of the top models for 2026. If you haven't seen a Leisure Travel, if you're considering a new motorhome, you got to check it out. It's a little bit larger than a B van, a traditional B van. It's 25 feet long, but it carries along a huge amount of quality and a huge amount of styling. It is built on the Mercedes twin turbo diesel chassis, which has a load of safety features, driver conveniences, everything you'd expect from a Mercedes-Benz. This one includes the optional Alcoa aluminum wheels, and with Leisure Travel you have a world-class build and a world-class paint job. Check out this awesome styling, curved body, curved door, blackout windows. Of course, you've got storage on the outside, even curved radiused compartment doors. Down here, you've got over 500 amps of lithium. Of course, it's Battle-Born, one of the best batteries in the industry. You have a Xantrex inverter down there, some additional storage in the back. And of course, it's held up on its own by these gas props. It's lighted. You could put a small bag of golf clubs, maybe a little grill, whatever you need to bring along. You've got a power awning up top. Check this out. You even have a lit handle, so when you're coming in at night, it's super easy to navigate. Power step, and as we pop in, I'm going to show you this beautiful kitchen space. So the kitchen has solid surface countertops, 2 induction stove burners. So if you want to make pasta and a sauce, you've got that capability. And it's these little things that really set Leisure Travel apart. Check out this counter extension, very easy to put up and down. No heavy lifting there. You've got this radius cabinetry, great styling, but also very functional. You can fit your plates up here. You've got some bonus storage underneath, even a little spot for some accessories there. And what I love about these, they're all soft close and they're all positive latching. You don't want your gear flying around as you travel down the road. Up in front, you've got seating for 2 additional passengers. Maybe you're going to do a day trip and you want to bring some friends along to go hiking with you, you can. Or this will also convert into a bed, so you can have a 3rd sleeping space up front. Then you've got some silverware space in these drawers, great for pots and pans, little towel hooks, of course, a deep stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet. You've got a built-in TV up front and a soundbar you can connect your phone to. That comes in handy when you're relaxing. Up top, there is this huge skylight. This has the ability to be screened off, or you can have a nightshade or split it half and half, or you can actually close it in any number of positions, even a slight vent mode that could be open during a light rain. Of course, it latches positively for travel. You've got this elegant lighting. This is really, I think, one of the things, other than the quality, that sets Leisure Travel apart is their lighting style, their cabinetry style. It is really world class. So you've got your venting built into this up here for your ducted air conditioning. It has ducted heat, of course, as well. A little garbage can. You've got the lid here. They've even got this. I mean, everything is just really well thought out. As we move back, you've got a convection microwave oven, so you can brown and microwave. You have a refrigerator, and you have a pull-out freezer with drawer down here. You've got a awesome great spot for canned goods. Check out that little Leisure Travel emblem they've built right in. This is multiplex wiring, so you can control off these little keypads for your lighting, or up in front, there's actually a screen that will allow you to operate everything. Very easy to use, very intuitive, and it even has a Bluetooth app you can link right to your phone. Come on, I'll show you in back how comfortable this rear lounge is. This has got a nice viewing space of the TV, but more importantly, check out these huge windows in the back. This will give you a great panoramic view, maybe the ocean, maybe the mountains. They could have just put one window in, but they put two. You get some ventilation here. Of course, you've got shades to shade it off. This is a set of power recliners. You can kick back, relax, enjoy a nice comfortable evening in the back of your luxury coach. This one will also recline as well. As I pop up here, Jake's going to show you the bathroom and shower space. I'm going to convert this into a little bed. All right, we are now in bed mode, and you can use these wedge cushions to relax in bed if you'd like, or this is a full 74-inch long bed. I'm 6'3", plenty of length for me, plenty of width, and they've even thought of everything. You've got USBs both in here and on the side, tons of cabinetry. This whole thing opens right up. Very, very well done. If you are interested in seeing a leisure travel, please come to Advance Camping in Milwaukee, as we have the full line of leisure travels available, and we will have each model from time to time in stock. Thanks for watching, and give me a like if you enjoy these videos.